Any error will be costly dito para sa Lady Warriors. Jasmine Napor, napakatalino.
Umawi kung kanina na-block siya. Sabi niya, hindi na ngayon.
Substitution.
Jasmine Napor.
And yung maganda doon sa pag magkaroon ka ng center na left hand. Kumbaga, it's her... Kumbaga, that's her... What do you call this? It's her advantage.
Built-in advantage.
Yeah, tama. Kasi she just needs her left hand in order to drop the ball.
Adjustment kasi yan sa blocker,
Yeah.
ano, pag lefty. Panoorin natin. Instant impact. Jorel Singh, kakapasok lang. First ball talaga.
First ball.
Yung binabanggit kanina pa ni Coach Rico de Guzman. Jorel Singh